In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Data tab in a trade-informed backtest model. So firstly, starting on the left, you can use the offline data, and that's referring to data that you have stored on your hard drive. So I have a directory here where I am storing the files, my price data files. You've got to put the full directory name so it knows where to find them, and in a list here which you can add to. So if I had and wanted to test IBM, I'll put it in something like that, ibm.txt. Now the two extensions you can use are .txt and .csv, and the data needs to be comma separated and in the correct format, which is date, open, high, low, close. So once you've done that, all you need to do is click the button. It will automatically open up the text file in the background. It will import the data into the spreadsheet. It will run the calculations again. And when it's done that, it will bring the data. It will bring you to the results tab. Another variation you can do is click here to run all of the markets. And that simply refers to all of the markets shown here in the list. So it will run one after the other. It will get the results. It will make a copy of them and it will test the next one. Now the next way to get data is to use an option that's available to Microsoft 365 subscribers, which is Excel Stock History. So all you need to do that is use the same drop down menu here. So I'm going to get the SPY and I'm going to click on here. And what that will do is it'll import the data directly from Microsoft servers. Have a look what it looks like. That's the data. And if I go to the results tab, you'll see there's no results. Now that's because you need to click both buttons here. This is a restriction in the way that Excel works with VBA. Simply put, we just need to click both buttons and it doesn't take very long. Once you do that, it will update the data. So there we go. We've got the analysis with the SPY ready for backtesting. Okay, the third option you've got is to use Yahoo Finance. Huge data source, very popular and rightly so. And I can get QQQ data directly from there. So I set my start and end date, click one button and it will import it from Yahoo Finance's servers. It will put the data directly in the model and recalculate everything, and when it's done that, it will take you over to the results tab.